Hello and welcome to Realty Pilot's tutorial for adding tasks in your Task tab. This will include bid tasks and work order tasks. To get to your Task tab, you can choose Properties, then go down and click My Tasks. This will take you to the list of your tasks. You can search for an address or task near the top. Refine your search if you know the current mode or if it isn't assigned to anyone. Click Expand Search for more options, then click the Go button. If you're already in the property details, you can just click the Task tab and it'll show you all the tasks for that property. Click the Add New Task button up top. The Add New Task window will pop up. Select the property if you weren't already in the property details page. Choose the user type. Next, choose the task from the task library dropdown if you have any. This will fill in the task name and due date from the information you put in when you created the task. If you don't have any tasks previously set up, choose a name for the task and then the due date. Assign the task in the dropdown or leave it open. Select the checkbox to send an email alert if it is left open. Next, select the task document from the dropdown if you added any documents into the document library. If you require any documents for the task, click the checkbox. You can add the instructions for the documents below. Next, click the checkbox here if you require a signature. If the task is related to a transaction, click this checkbox. If this is a new task, you can add it to the task library by checking the box. Type in any instructions you need, such as required documents, and if you want a condition of yes or no to appear when the task is complete, click the checkbox. Click Save when you're done. Now let's add a new bid task. Click the Add New Bid Task button, choose the property if you're not already in the property details, and just like the other pop-up, you can choose a task from your library or make a new one. Then choose a category in the dropdown. Next, we'll assign a vendor. If the vendor that you're using is not registered with your Realty Pilot account, click the green plus button next to Company. In the pop-up, choose the category and fill in the vendor information, then click Save. To select the vendor, choose the state of the vendor in the dropdown, and to the right of that, choose the vendor name. Then choose the representative. If you don't have one set up yet, click the green plus button to add one. In this pop-up, fill in all the relevant information and click Save. This will allow you to select the representative in the dropdown now. If you have multiple vendors, you can add additional vendors by clicking the Add Additional Vendor button. Add a new vendor or choose one from the dropdown again. To remove a vendor, just click the red button on the right. Now you want to upload your RFQ file by clicking the Browse button, then select the file on your computer. Next, click the checkbox for each of the following options you need. The mail subject is already filled in, but you can change it if you like, and the same for the body of the email, and click Save when you're done. Adding a work order task is pretty similar. Click on the Add New Work Order Task button for the pop-up. Again, choose from the library or create your own, add an initial price, assign a vendor, upload any work order files, choose any options with the checkboxes below that, and optionally update the mail subject and mail body fields. Then click Save. When you have the amount given from the vendor, choose the gold flag icon to complete the bid. In this new window, enter the bid amount, choose Browse to upload a bid file, enter any notes you need, then click Complete. This moves your work order into Expenses tab. If you would like to accept one of your vendor's bids, click the blue flag icon. In the pop-up window, verify the amount, upload the work order file, select the date to complete, add any notes you need, and choose Complete. This will bring up the Edit Work Order window. Make sure all the information and boxes are correct, then click Save. Once all the details for the work order are completed, click the Completed icon. This brings up the Complete Work Order box. Enter the dollar amount that the work order will cost, upload your work order invoice you received from your vendor, fill out any notes you need, then click Complete. This also moves your work order into Expenses. And that covers our tutorial with tasks. For more information, you can call us or join our live chat support on realtypilot.com.